Learn English to Gujarati. See and
જોવું.
with funny daily phrases. Welcome to Seeing Things. Hey, you are about to learn a whole family of useful Gujarati phrases for seeing things. Do not worry, no actual eyesight test is required, and yes, even confused potatoes are welcome. Today your star word is
જોવું.
which means see. From there, you will build real phrases.
હું જોઉં છું.
For I see.
તમે જુઓ છો.
For you see.
તે જુએ છે.
For he sees and she sees.
એવું લાગે છે.
For it looks.
અમે જોઈએ છીએ.
For we see.
તમે બધા જુઓ.
For you all see, and
તેઓ જુએ છે.
for they see. Nice. Your eyes are already doing excellent work. Your main verb. Let us start with the basic verb and make it stick in your memory. Imagine a giant eye wearing a tiny hat. The core word is see equals.
જોવું.
Say it slowly.
જોવું.
Picture this. A child opens a window, spots a rainbow, and whispers.
જોવું.
Funny memory trick. Think, Joe views, sounds a bit like. So Joe likes to.
જોવું.
Joe is now your language assistant. Joe works for free. Example. I want to see the stars. In Gujarati.
હું તારાઓ જોવું માંગુ છું.
Example. Can you see the bird? In Gujarati.
શું તમે પક્ષી જોવું શકો છો?
I see. Now you talk about what you see. Very powerful. Very dramatic. Very main character energy. I see equals.
હું જોઉં છું.
Repeat it.
હું જોઉં છું.
Example. I see the moon.
હું ચાંદ જોઉં છું.
Example. I see a bird in the sky.
હું આકાશમાં એક પક્ષી જોઉં છું.
Mini scene. The room is dark. The light turns on. You whisper.
હું જોઉં છું.
Congratulations, you have discovered the chair. Say it again with confidence.
હું જોઉં છું.
You see. Time to point at your listener in a friendly way, not in a creepy movie villain way. You see equals.
તમે જુઓ છો.
Example. You see the bird in the tree.
તમે ઝાડમાં પક્ષી જુઓ છો.
Example. From here, you see the whole city.
અહીંથી તમે આખું શહેર જુઓ છો.
Mnemonic.
તમે
Is you and
જુઓ છો.
is see. So when your friend finally finds the obvious answer, you can think.
તમે જુઓ છો.
Funny image. A potato puts on glasses and says, at last.
તમે જુઓ છો.
The potato is very proud. We are proud too. He sees and she sees. Here comes a neat shortcut. In this set, he sees and she sees use the same Gujarati phrase. Your brain loves a bargain. He sees equals.
તે જુએ છે.
She sees equals.
તે જુએ છે.
Example for he sees the bird in the tree.
તે ઝાડમાં પક્ષીને જુએ છે.
Example for she sees the moon.
તે ચાંદને જુએ છે.
Tiny dialogue. A. What is he doing? B.
તે જુએ છે.
A. And what is she doing? B. Also.
તે જુએ છે.
That means one useful phrase helps you say both he sees and she sees. Efficient. Beautiful. Almost suspiciously convenient. It looks. Now we switch from direct seeing to appearance. This is the phrase you use when you are pretty sure, but not ready to bet your sandwich on it. It looks equals.
એવું લાગે છે.
Example. It looks good.
એવું લાગે છે કે આ સારું છે.
Example. It looks strange.
એવું લાગે છે કે આ અજીબ છે.
Example. It looks like rain.
એવું લાગે છે કે વરસાદ આવશે.
Mini scene. You stare at a mysterious soup. It is purple. It is bubbling. It is humming softly. You say.
એવું લાગે છે.
And then maybe step back a little. We see. Let us bring friends into the picture. Learning together is fun and also useful when you need witnesses for a rainbow. We see equals.
અમે જોઈએ છીએ.
Example. We see the moon at night.
અમે રાત્રે ચાંદ જોઈએ છીએ.
Example. From here, we see the river.
અહીંથી અમે નદી જોઈએ છીએ.
Imagine two friends with binoculars shouting.
અમે જોઈએ છીએ.
They probably found a bird. Or a snack stand. Both are exciting. Repeat.
અમે જોઈએ છીએ.
You all see and they see. Now for group phrases. This is great for classrooms, tours, and dramatic pointing at mountains. You all see equals.
તમે બધા જુઓ.
They see equals.
તેઓ જુએ છે.
Example. You all see the mountain.
તમે બધા પર્વત જુઓ.
Example. They see the stars at night.
તેઓ રાત્રે તારાઓ જુએ છે.
Classroom moment. The teacher opens the curtains and says,
તમે બધા જુઓ.
outside is a rainbow, or the school bus. One is magical, one is urgent. Narrator voice. The family stands by the window.
તેઓ જુએ છે.
The rain. Everyone becomes poetic for 12 seconds. Quick drill. Let us do a fast practice round. You hear the English, then say the Gujarati in your head or out loud. See.
જોવું.
I see.
હું જુઓ છું.
You see.
તમે જુઓ છો.
He sees.
તે જુએ છે.
She sees.
તે જુએ છે.
It looks.
એવું લાગે છે.
We see.
અમે જોઈએ છીએ.
You all see.
તમે બધા જુઓ.
They see.
તેઓ જુએ છે.
Mini story of the overdramatic window. Now enjoy a short funny story where all your new phrases show up together. Listen for the seeing words. One morning, I run to the window and say,
હું જુઓ છું.
the sky is bright. You stand beside me and I tell you,
તમે જુઓ છો.
that enormous kite, right? My brother points outside.
તે જુએ છે.
A bird on the roof. My sister laughs because,
તે જુએ છે.
the same bird stealing breakfast. Then clouds gather and Grandma says,
એવું લાગે છે.
it will rain. We all crowd near the glass and whisper.
અમે જોઈએ છીએ.
The first drops. I call to the neighbors.
તમે બધા જુઓ.
And across the street.
તેઓ જુએ છે.
The rainbow too. Also, the bird still has the breakfast. Friendly finish. Great job. You just learned a whole set of useful seeing phrases in Gujarati. That is real progress. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing.
જોવું. હું જુઓ છું. તમે જુઓ છો. તે જુએ છે. એવું લાગે છે. અમે જોઈએ છીએ. તમે બધા જુઓ.
And.
તેઓ જુએ છે.
Out loud. Repeat them when you look out a window, watch the sky, or spot a suspiciously stylish potato. Thanks for listening, and keep practicing a little every day.